I think it's important to have Rangahau now by Indigenous minded people, with people that have a Māori worldview for our Māori kaupapa. Why do I think that's important? Because you're not having to compare it with something else. It's pure as much as we can. And I think with my practice, that's something that has to be transferred with every essence of my body. So when I'm carving, I'm trying to get over to my tauira. Carving is just not chisel on wood. It's when you wake up in the morning. It's when you say hello to your wife. It's when you feed your kids and drive them to school. That is still whakairo. It doesn't start inside the carving shed. When a female partner of a tāne in my class comes to me and says, my husband's better to me at home, then I know Rangahau's working. When they say that he has a different worldview, he supports me better at home. I can say whakairo has an influence in his life. And if his children are going to school happier, it's because he's doing something in whakairo. So I want to ensure my children grow up to be Māori practitioners, but with a worldview, like a world focus, not just them. And I just need to buy the flashiest car, or I just need to get the best job. It's about how can I be a better Māori practitioner to my uncle down the street, to my auntie who I only see once a year. So ensuring their whanaungatanga that's the transference of Rangahau for me.